Hey folks, my name is Mike. This is KEI Fabrication and welcome to my shop. Hey folks, it's Mike from KEI Fabrication. I just want to take a minute and just express my concern for all of you folks out there with this coronavirus going around. I am worried. I've never seen anything like it in my lifetime, and I'm sure you haven't either. The rapidness of how this has taken over the world is just absolutely frightening. So my prayer is that you folks are safe and healthy, and I just figured I'm going to take a couple minutes and I put this video together, what I've been up to for the last week since the real social distancing thing came around. And I've seen other YouTubers do the same. It's always nice to see the humbling side of some of you folks, and I think we're all in the same shoes as far as life is basically on hold. We're trying to make the best of the situation. I'm using this time to get a lot of things done in the shop that I've neglected for years and years and years. And when I have time, I'm kind of trying to make progress on the Mazda project, as well as getting prepped for maybe taking on some others. Anyway, I just wanted to say hello. When we get through this, we can get back to having some fun and doing all of the things that we enjoy doing. I pray that happens quickly. So take care of yourselves, stay healthy, and enjoy the video, and just take a look at what I've been trying to accomplish here in the last few days. God bless everyone. Step 1, coronavirus clean out. Okay folks, this is day 2 of the coronavirus lockdown. Day 1 I spent making this bench. It's not finished yet. I got some covering to go on it because I have to work from home now indefinitely. So I just whipped that out. Some cabinetry we found for free on the side of the road, and some wood that was basically part of a house clean out. So I'll set up my workstation there, and it'll give me an opportunity to work from home. Well folks, this is coronavirus lockdown day 2. I got a notification that my building at work was going to be shut down for 2 weeks, and today was the last day we'd have access to the building so they could clean it. And the truck is loaded down with everything I needed to work from home. Alright folks, this is day 2 of corona lockdown continued. I did the valve cover and alternator, spark plugs on this side of the engine on my wife's car. I'm going to remove the upper plenum and do the cam cover on the back side there. Hey folks, it's coronavirus lockdown day number 3. I'm in the shop doing some more cleanup work. You know how it works out. You establish a little corner of stuff to set aside for future jobs, and it just gets out of hand. Hey folks, it's coronavirus lockdown day number 4. I've been noticing a fuel pump problem with my truck. It's getting lazy, and yesterday I went to clean out my work so I could have everything at home I need to do my job at home, and it actually quit running going down the highway, so I had to stop and encourage it to start pumping again with this. And this morning when I went to take off, of course it's a rainy, miserable, nasty morning, I had to do the same thing, crawl under the truck and encourage it to work. Alright folks, this is day 5 of the corona lockdown. I managed to get the majority of the bead roller modifications complete. Hey folks, I lost another fuel pump on this thing, and this is coronavirus day 6 lockdown, so I'm going to use the opportunity to not only fix the pump but change some things. Hey folks, it's Mike again. Day 7, Corona lockdown. Today I'm going to attack the power steering pump. I believe that I have a leak between the reservoir and the pump, so we're going to diagnose that. And we've been working on some more of the horizontal surface syndrome, and I just cleaned the top of my TIG welder off. Okay folks, so that's what I've been up to, say the first week of Corona lockdown. Maybe it'd be cool if all of us shared some of the things we're up to. If we have extra time, if we're feeling well enough to get out and do stuff, share it with the rest of us. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Again, I hope everybody is safe and healthy. God bless. I can't wait to see what you folks have been up to.